what we call non-meditation is the best meditation. So the real meditation, you don't have to meditate. You just be. So when you just be, you are not lost. The sense of presence, sense of being, sense of relaxation, everybody has a little bit different flavor. Although this thought comes and goes, blah, 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 yada, 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 ha, ha, hoo, hoo, but you're still not lost. But at the same time, you are not meditating on any particular object. So, three things there. You are not meditating, so what we call non-meditation. You are not lost. And third is uncontrived. You are not controlling, not changing. You just be. Yeah? Got it? Okay, try again. Now keep your meditation posture, which is keep your spine loosely straight. And you can put your hand on your knees. Just cover your knees, or around your knees. And close your eyes. And just be. Now, please open your eyes and continue to be. Just relax. If you cannot relax, also okay, allow that you cannot relax. Okay. How was it? The first one is better or this one is better? First one better, raise your hand. This time better, raise your hand. Yeah, meditation experience changes. So most of the time, it will not be the same. So now you feel maybe relax, and next time you try, the flavor is not the same. So don't expect always be the same. Thank you.